Hey guys, just follow up to my previous video yesterday. I didn't get a chance to put it in the wood yesterday because it was raining cats and dogs, and honestly I'm getting old and soft and just didn't want to go out and play in the rain. So today I'm going to take the Radley 52cc out and just give her a quick test run on a fallen tree just to show you how she goes. As you can see, she's more than capable. Cut some pretty good sized wood pretty quickly. That tree's she's saturated, so it's a little harder to cut than normal, and she still made pretty easy work of it. I'm going to find my way out of the trees here. Bear with me. Been working all day, so a little worn out. All right, yeah, so again, Radley 52cc. Nice saw. Just if you get it, you might want to consider putting a non-cat muffler on it, just to let it breathe a little better. But all kinds of functions in it. Like I said the other day, it has, if you can see it there, you can adjust the oiler. Inside, underneath of the cap, it has a hot-cold tab that you can pull out to run the saw in really cold temperature. What else am I missing here? Yeah, no, just a great saw. So if you're looking for something cheap, $199 Canadian plus tax, can't beat it. Take care.